Hi, welcome to this video on what happens if your aircraft is struck by lightning in flight. Well, as a pilot, encountering lightning strike in flight is a possibility, especially when flying through stormy weather. In fact, I've had lightning strikes on two of my aircrafts in the early 90s and one in the late 90s. It was once on an Airbus A300 and once on a Boeing 737, both during night flights and both on the same route, Delhi to Kolkata. Well, if you do experience a lightning strike, it's important to know what happens and what one can expect and what one can do. So first, let's talk about what happens when an aircraft is struck by lightning. Lightning typically strikes somewhere on the aircraft, maybe on the nose, maybe wings, or maybe tail, and then it dissipates through the aircraft's metal skin and structure. The lightning can cause a loud bang or a thud sound in the cabin, as well as a bright flash of light. Well, despite the very dramatic effects of a lightning strike, aircrafts are actually designed to withstand such incidents. The lightning protection systems used in the aircrafts are designed to safely dissipate the electrical energy of the strike without causing damage to the aircraft or endangering passengers and crew. So, if you do experience a lightning strike, the first thing which should be done is to maintain control of the aircraft. And lightning strikes can cause temporary interference with communication and navigation equipments, but the aircraft should continue to operate normally. Well, if there is any doubt about the safety of the flight, of course, the pilot would be diverting to the nearest airport and making an emergency landing. After a lightning strike, normally a thorough inspection of the aircraft is carried out to ensure that there is no damage or other safety concerns, which means checking for any visible damage to the exterior of the aircraft once it's on ground, as well as inspecting critical systems such as communication, navigation, and electrical systems. Finally, it's important to report the lightning strike to air traffic control and the aircraft's maintenance personnel and flight safety department for their further necessary actions. So in conclusion, if you experience a lightning strike in flight, the key is to remain calm and maintain control of the aircraft and conduct a thorough inspection after the strike and report it to the appropriate authorities to ensure continued safe operation of the aircraft. Well, thanks for watching, and hope you never get into such situation in your flying career. Take care and happy flying. God bless.